Past the orbit of Neptune, in the most remote part of our solar system, there lurks a dwarf planet. No, not Pluto, we're talking about the dwarf planet Haumea. Discovered in 2004, Haumea lies a few billion miles farther from the Sun than Pluto. And according to new observations made by the Instituto Astrofisica Andalusia, Haumea is one of the few objects in our solar system to sport a set of rings. Advertisement continue reading below. Haumea is a strange little ball of rock. It's about a third the size of Pluto, and has two moons, that we know of, Hi'iaka and Namaka. It spins so fast that it bulges out along its equator, giving it a kind of egg shape. Astronomers were interested in learning more about Haumea, but at that size and distance we can't just point a telescope at it. Instead, astronomers use a method called occultation, where they wait for Haumea to pass in front of a distant star, and they observe how much the light from the star is reduced. When the light of a star is blocked by a solar system object, we can measure how long that takes, says researcher José Luis Ortiz. Hence, we can determine the size of the object that causes the occultation because we know the speed of the body on its orbit. Using that information, the researchers figured out just how big Haumea was. But they also discovered something else, a ring circling the dwarf planet. This discovery makes Haumea the first known object past the orbit of Neptune to have rings, and the smallest ringed body in the solar system. Haumea's rings raise two new questions that scientists have to answer. How did Haumea get its rings, and are there more ringed dwarf planets like Haumea out there? Neither of those questions can be answered right now, but if a tiny piece of rock like Haumea can have a decent system of rings, it means that rings might be much more common than we thought. Source: AFP.